The Kodiak Konvert is a rechargeable LED headlamp that's also a work light. Let's take a closer look at this versatile light. Inside the package is the Konvert and a magnetic charging cable. Since the Konvert is rechargeable, it should be fully charged before first use. Plug the USB end of the included charging cable into any USB power source, such as a power bank or AC power cube, computer, or car charger. Now attach the other end to the magnetic charging port. The solid green light on the charging cable changes to red while charging and then back to green when fully charged. Expect a full charge to take up to 2 hours. The charging port is also the battery compartment cover. Unscrew it to access the included 3.7 volt, 800 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery. It's a good idea to remove the battery if not using the Konvert for an extended period. The Konvert features a safety lockout, preventing unwanted operation or accidental overheating. Double press the power button to unlock the light. The light blinks twice to confirm unlocking has occurred. The light also auto-locks after 2 minutes of non-use. You may also manually lock the light by double pressing the power button from any light mode while in use. The Konvert features 3 white light modes, plus solid red and solid green. High brightness is rated at 1100 lumens for 1.5 hours with a 190-foot light throw. Medium is 550 lumens for 2.2 hours, and low is 44 lumens for 8 hours. Long press the power button from any white light mode to access solid red. A single press switches to green. Color modes last up to 3 hours. Long pressing the power button from either red or green reverts to the previously selected white light mode. The Konvert comes installed in the mounting cradle of its fully adjustable head strap. While in the cradle, the Konvert rotates up to 180 degrees in several locking positions. But as its name implies, the headlamp may be converted to a standalone work light or flashlight by removing it from the cradle. Pull one end of the light from its clip, rotate the cradle, and remove the other end. The Konvert may be used freestanding, handheld, or mounted magnetically to most smooth, rust-free metal surfaces. To place the light back in its cradle, lay it across both clips and press the Konvert firmly straight down till it snaps in place. 3 white light modes with up to 1100 lumens, solid red and green modes, plus numerous mounting options make the Kodiak Konvert a top choice in your lighting arsenal.